As employment lawyers, the Acas guidance has been really invaluable, both for our junior lawyers but also for our clients. We're always recommending that people go to the guidance because it's super accessible and it's also really easy for both employees and employers to use, especially SMEs who maybe don't have a HR department and don't have the legal or the HR knowledge. So particularly the mental health and neurodiversity guidance is really helpful because it gives a step-by-step approach and things for employers to start to think about, as well as employees being able to navigate some of the complexities of how to get things like adjustments in place.
Obviously, as part of my role as an employment lawyer, I do use and reference the Acas website. I've referred individuals to go and have a look at the guidance on there. But for myself as an advisor, I think it's very accessible. I do refer to it myself as well in terms of my practice. And actually having that practical guidance, it brings it all to life, and also because it's kept up to date as well, it's very relevant information that I'm getting from there as well.
Discover the advice and support Acas can provide your business. www.acas.org.uk